I got to read.
Okay. Hi, my name is Marcia Carding. I'm the Executive Director of McDonald's Play World Community Development, Inc. We're an agency that is actually an outgrowth of a community daycare. But as the needs in our environment change, we evolve and we change. We provide services that will address the social needs of Liberty City, Little Haiti, Alapata, Brownsville, Overtown, Coconut Grove, but mainly we're involved with church ministry, and we do what the Bible say. We help the hungry, the lost, the elderly. We provide food services weekly to the community. We help the elderly with counseling. We help teenagers with pregnancy counseling. And then there are people that are in our neighborhood that have nowhere to live. So we provide overnight sheltering. I don't know what else to say. We are here to do God's will. Yes, we did start out, providing daycare services, but we have evolved into a ministry that is following the will of God. We do true ministry unto God. We help those that cannot help themselves. Thank you. God bless. Bye.